Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. This digital water level indicator, it has problem that when it is connected to power, it is giving beep and it is showing 100% full tank while the connector is removed. It is not connected to level sensor. Let's see what is wrong here. If we check its sensor signals, common the first wire here, first pin with second one, 15%, 30%, 45, 60, 75, 90, and this last one, it is giving directly beep signal. Let's open and let's check it. Oh, it's very simple circuit. You can see each LED is connected to one transistor. This is power. That means this set that is connected to last pin, yes, this transistor might be, it is suspected. Let's remove this transistor and check it. A733 PNP transistor. Yes, this transistor is damaged. A733 pin out, emitter collector base. Then I have A1015, emitter collector base, same pin out. Both transistors are PNP. Yes, now it's good. Check signal one by one, first and first indicator. Sixth one, seventh one. Now it's good. Thanks for watching.